Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in. And thanks for tuning in to another Christmas in July preview unboxing episode. As you know, fans of the show know, Patreon.com, our supporters have decided that they want to see us do the Hot Ones Hot Wing Challenge. So I've been doing unboxing episodes of every sauce that comes in. We're not yet telling you what season we're doing, but if you're a fan of that show, you kind of know by what sauces we're getting and doing unboxing. Doing unboxings. Ooh, got two here. What season we'll be doing. If you've never seen that show, check it out. It's fun. It's 10 wings, 10 questions of celebrities. Each gets progressively hotter, and we're going to see today what sauces we got coming in. And I would love to tell you where this is from, but the label just says it's Amazon Fulfillment Services. Does not at all tell me what company this is from, because we did order from a few different companies. So we'll see which one this is first. So yeah, you can go to Patreon. You can decide what we do for fun episodes. Got a new poll up now to decide what we're going to do. So check that out. You can go to Patreon.com. Just look up Christmas on Crestline. And this is, oh yeah, this is the Zombie Apocalypse sauce. If memory serves, and I'll put it up for you on the screen now, what Scoville this is. I'm going to guess, though, and I believe, if memory serves, this is around the 50,000 Scoville mark. Torchbearer sauces, all natural, zombie apocalypse sauce. Oh, yeah. Let's see what this next one's going to be. This is from, okay. Well, this, my friends, is the sauce of the sauces. And this has been the hottest sauce in a few of their seasons. And let's see here if I am at all unable to unravel this mystery. No, that's not Santa Claus you're hearing. That's my doggy walking. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It comes in its own coffin. It comes in a coffin. This here is a Blair Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage. This here says, where does it say? Does it say Scoville? If memory serves, I think I'm right about this. I think this is 550,000 Scovilles. Be warned, this sauce contains ingredients 650 times hotter than the jalapeno chile. Use sparingly, not recommended for use without dilution. Yeah. Due to the freshness of my product, color, consistency may vary. Absolutely contains no preservatives, 0 calories, made with great karma, which is nice. So yeah, this is going to burn my face off at some point. What I'm thinking about doing for my Patreon subscribers, since you guys voted you want me to do this silliness, and hot ones, I do love hot wings. I love my eat at Buffalo Wild Wings all the time. But this heat might be a little silly. But what I think I'm going to do on Patreon for a fun thing for you folks is do each individual sauce before the challenge gets here in Christmas in July, because I'm not quite sure when we're going to do that. But I think I'm going to do one bite of each individual sauce and put those up as episodes on Patreon just for Patreon supporters. You guys voted for this, so you should have a little something extra. But yeah, Blair's Mega Death Sauce with Liquid Rage and Zombie Apocalypse, because those are fun things to say that belong on food, right? So yeah, go check us out on Patreon. Support the show. You're going to want to be a supporter for Christmas in July, because you guys, the Patreon supporters, are going to decide how a few episodes take place, and this being one of them. But anyway, I digress. Some very hot sauces. So again, I'm not going to tell you what season we're going to do, but this should be a giant clue to kind of the season-ish There should be about 5 or 6 seasons. You guys, you who are big fans of Hot Ones, should be able to whittle this down to. So that's about it for today. Again, good job, Scott. Proud of you. You do some great work with your lights. You do. So good job. That's about it for today, guys. I'm Charlie. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode.